Hey everyone, we recently finished the coop. It's just starting to rain, so we'll make this a quick video. I'll show you how we did it. Maybe it'll give someone out there an idea. So we use the same type of construction as we did for the chicken coop. The posts consist of two 2x4s, and then sandwiched between those is the roof support. On the bottom we put kickboards around the whole thing, which helps support the mesh, and then I think it'll hopefully help prevent the kids from accidentally kicking through the mesh, or a lawnmower from bumping through it. At the top here we used fiberglass panels. I haven't used these before. We used a washer, like a rubber lined washer, to fasten those onto the roof. We had a tornado warning yesterday and it got really windy here, and this roof didn't budge, so it passed the test. The door over here was interesting because we actually screened this all off and then decided we were going to put the door here. So then we kind of framed it out, as you can see. And then we have, to lock it, we have the same type of latch as we do on the chicken coop here. Now for the winter, what we're going to do is put these fiberglass panels around the whole thing to kind of create more of a sunroom, four-season room for the chickens. And I'm not sure if that'll work or not. We'll see. I can make an update. Inside the chicken run, we have the sand, because apparently they like to scratch at sand or dirt. And then my wife made this chicken swing, which they haven't really discovered yet, but it looks cool. And then we find that we hung up some suet, which we use just for like bird feeders out in the yard, but the chickens like that too. And then the last thing we did in here was add a light, a motion sensor light. So if there's animals like a coyote wandering around, they'll be lit up. We'll see them a little easier. Then inside the coop, not too much has changed since the previous video. Oh, they're molting quite a bit. That's all from overnight. Alright, so we added an extension cord through the coop there, and that way the Nest camera is plugged in permanently. And then I'm trying out this heater, and then we also have a ceramic heating panel that we're gonna put along this back wall to heat them while they roost at night. So we'll see how all these things work. We haven't hooked up the electricity permanently by trenching underground yet, because I'm not certain that the chickens will survive the winter. So I don't want to go through the hassle of hooking it up. Alright, so okay, quickly show you around the rest of the coop. You can see how the screen, I'm not sure if you'll actually be able to see that in the video, but we have screen around the bottom of the coop too. And the chickens actually like to spend a lot of time underneath it. And then here we latched this here so we can open and close it. But we've been keeping it closed as the temperatures are dropping. I tried to make it a tight fit here. There we go. You can see the kickboard went all the way around. And then here we'll have the fiberglass panel going here too. And then we're gonna section off the bottom of the coop in the winter with some straw bales. We're gonna see if that works, just so we don't have to go through the trouble of putting the paneling around the bottom of the coop. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps someone out there. Like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Thanks again. Bye.
And now he's living the life of Riley.